Hi everyone, this is Prabhakar Beti, Idea Launch Specialist. I help people to identify their ideas and bring them online. My mission is to help 100,000 people to bring their ideas online. Are you one of them? If yes, please type in the comment section. That will help me to identify those people really seriously interested in launching their ideas online. Do you want to have multiple streams of income? Yes? If yes, please type below in the comment section. Today it is the need of the hour. You cannot depend on one job, one income source. Can you have multiple income sources with having a job or business already? Yes, very much. Internet provides that opportunity. What you need is a platform which will help you to launch your idea online. The platform I have discovered, I have been using for some time now. Now, Builderall is a platform which provides you access to almost 40 plus apps. Everything in digital marketing field required is there on Builderall. It also works out very economical. Rather than going to different platforms for your website making or for developing a funnel, sales funnel, or for your email marketing, e-learning, almost everything is present on this platform Builderall, which I find very easy to use, unlike other platforms where there is a very stiff learning curve. Initially, there is also learning curve in Builderall, but once you get used to the system of Builderall, then it becomes very easy. Anybody can use all the tools which are being provided in Builderall, and there is also a lot of training provided. For each of the tools, there is a lot of training provided. If you are into, say, information product, there is a separate training. If you are into marketing a physical product, there is a separate training. If you are into affiliate marketing, there is a separate training. Like this, each of the fields, there is a specific training provided apart from training on the tools. I find it amazing, and the price is also very economical. If you want to do anything with digital marketing, whether you are a new person or a seasoned digital marketer, this is a platform which will give you all the tools and the training which is required to develop your online business. Using their extensive training, I could sort out any problem which comes in my way of developing my online business. If you want to develop online business after COVID, almost all the businesses are going online. Almost everybody is getting online for doing whatever they want to do, whether purchasing, selling. So if you want to do any online business, you must have a very strong platform backed up with good training. You will see a link below, which is my affiliate link. Please click that link and register for Builderall. When you have a right tool set, it's not difficult to develop your online business. So go ahead, click the link given below and register yourself. Just experiment with it. Thank you so much.